special edition. Oh wait.
Blooper
Hang
number
on.
1.
Hang on.
We should turn up a light for our
Ooh, Chloe.
Ooh, oh, you should turn it.
glow stick, and then we have to turn it back
Yeah, and
on.
then turn it back on. This is Caroline.
Ready? Yeah.
Wait, hang on.
Are you ready?
Let me put on
Oh!
Wait, let me put on the glow sticks, and then we'll do this. Can you even see us? Or can you see the glow sticks?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay. Welcome to a special edition of
Just Caroline. Just Caroline. Just Caroline.
Just Caroline.
Oh. Okay, now.
Okay. First, wait, we need
Capricorn on the cheese.
That is the question. That is what we are going for. This one right here.
Is the
Dubai.
barf bag. Yeah, just in case.
Let's commentary.
She's jelly beans. She's laughing.
I can't do this.
She's
terrified
saying
at this
she
moment.
can't do eat.
Hang on.
She's saying, hang
This
on.
is banana or pencil shaving. Oh.
Oh.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Sure?
No,
it's not.
No, it's that one.
Banana's really good.
Okay.
Go to the point, people.
I will be very mad if she barfs on the commentary, people.
Which one is this? Moldy cheese or
Caramel corn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just go! 2 chomps. 2 chomps. That's the
Sure.
rule.
Ugh.
Oh!
I can smell it.
Oh! Oh man, I'm probably
just
I can smell it. I can smell it.
Just
Caroline.
Just Caroline.
Oh, Caroline.
Just Caroline.
She tasted moldy cheese.
She tasted
moldy cheese, and it was nasty.
But we don't know that because we didn't eat
But we
it.
can see it from her expression.
That was, oh god, that was terrible. Would you like to try another?
No. The blue one's good
Refreshing,
anyway.
refreshing.
No, you have to
It's
wait.
I'll do, okay, save it. Save the blue one.
Do the white one. Yeah, that one, it's like you don't even know. Like you really don't
You
know.
have to chomp.
Baby wipes.
deep.
Or coconut. Baby wipes or coconut. You don't know if it's coconut though, because the coconut's really strong.
Yeah.
She's only eating half of it.
Hang on. She's unsure
It's
about
a
this.
big
Baby wipes. Ew.
Yummy!
Just a Caroline. Just Caroline.
Why is
Oh,
it
baby
bad?
wipes.
Caroline.
It's a baby wipe.
Yeah. Careful.
Ouch. Okay, I'm good.
No.
Okay.
It's my
Yeah.
weapon. You barf
What
juicy
is this one?
fruit. Juicy pear.
Oh, hello there.
Wow.
The
What are
juicy
you
one.
doing?
This one.
The juicy pear
A
is good.
juicy- Gimme that. Just Caroline. Just Caroline. Save me.
Okay, go.
Eat one pink one.
Oh, it's wet.
Okay. I told you.
This is
Haha.
what this? I don't know, but you're gonna eat it.
Juicy pear or barf.
Yeah.
Peach or barf, right?
It's
What
like
is it?
juicy
Caroline?
pear or barf.
Actually, no, this is peach or. Oh, yeah, peach.
Oh, you peach, peach. I meant peach.
I
You know
want
what
a
meant.
peach.
I hope it's barf.
You barf. Barf is
Barf. Bleh. I
Bleh.
think it's peach.
It doesn't have a taste.
Oh,
Maybe your
wait.
barf is no.
Tasteless.
Give her another.
Maybe it's hot dog.
It ate a lot of water that day.
You would know if that was barf. Whatever, it's not good.
Yeah.
It's probably barf then.
Yeah.
Unless you don't like peaches. Give me a
Just
paper towel.
Caroline ate. We don't have
Nasty
any.
Someone get her something.
All of these bad. All of these are bad. I have not gotten a good one.
Do y'all know
Wait,
it's
is that
so
the
bad?
big
I'll
one?
give you
Yeah.
to her.
Just Caroline. Just Caroline. And
Oh,
Chandler.
No!
That was. She just ate it. She just
That
ate
was
the
for her ending when she could see
Oh
her
no,
mouth.
you didn't.
Okay, let's
I'm
do
gonna-
okay.
yeah.
Next.
Caroline! Just Caroline! Just Caroline! This is Bet Edition. Oh, Yeah. Okay.
That's okay.
Caroline is eating.
What happens if I drop them on the floor right now?
You're gonna eat them.
Oh, you're
Go.
still eating them.
I
For
paid
$10,
$14.
she's eating 14 of them.
Wait, for $10?
Wait, why can't it be $1, Jellybean?
Can I do it?
No.
No, you're.
Yeah, no.
Hey, I have a Hawaiian fun going on. I needed more. Okay?
We are in the middle of a
We've already done the Just Caroline edition thing.
What is Just Caroline?
I don't know.
We have
We
a
just
minute
made it
left.
up.
We have a minute to eat all of them.
Okay,
We're doing
go.
it.
60.
Two.
59.
Taste.
50.
Swallow.
Why are you reminding
Because
me?
she doesn't have.
I have like
Go!
a minute or two left.
Two.
Less than that.
Two taste.
Go.
Hold in your mouth.
Stop
Two
it
taste,
all in
hold
your mouth at once.
Yeah.
No.
Go.
We already.
There's only a minute left.
No.
Only a minute
Ow.
left.
Just, no, you keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth.
Ah,
Keep it
all
in
of
your
it?
mouth. Yes, the whole thing. Chew it, taste it.
Money,
Go.
Caroline,
Keep going.
Go, go.
Chew.
Going first?
No, you
Go.
have to keep them all into your mouth.
Ah,
You
go,
did it at the
go.
same
Go,
time.
go.
We have to have a
Then you
timer.
guys start turning them on.
Don't put it in
Yeah.
your mouth.
Okay, fine.
Shove them all in the mouth.
Good job, Sam.
But one at a time. But not all of them at the same time.
I want
Go.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm gagging right now. Oh my gosh.
I want to
I bet that was a rotten egg.
It doesn't look like it tastes
Go, go, go,
They're
go.
probably rotten egg and
Yeah.
fart and booger. Oh, there's the booger.
I didn't know the flavors.
You've already
You can't do it.
You can do it. Come on. $10. Come on.